We're back. Battery died. Alright, so I'm going to pull this all apart here and see what we see. Hopefully it's something stupid. Besides me. First time the gasket's going to tear. That's the gasket sealer. The gasket's stuck to the cover, not the other piece, so it's a bit harder to get off. Yeah, we can reuse that. Okay. What is the problem here? Too much grease. Somebody loaded up with grease. So I'm trying to see if it's bottomed out inside here. We'll ratchet either way. I can see the cam fall over there. Just want to go to the next one. Alright, well we're bottomed out there, so let's see what we got. Okay, there's where we're locked up. And we're all the way at one extreme. Still won't go though. So it's not that. Something inside of here. So pull the spout the rest of the way here. Damn, that thing's hard to move. Something is the problem here. That's a hard stop. See, everything's out. See? So what the hell's jammed into this thing? There's more teeth. I don't see nothing floating around under it. Keeping it from going all the way. Ah. You dumbass. Alright, this set screw right here is not stock. There's supposed to be a plunger in here with a neutral switch. So what they have done, see how this gear is cut out here except for this neutral switch indent? That shiny spot right there is hitting the inside of the set screw right here, which is keeping it from going all the way. So whenever they put that plug in there, you no longer got low gear. So if this thing had a problem getting into low gear before, I guarantee you this is why it didn't never work. So that plug has to be shortened up or changed to something else. So that's why it doesn't work. Everything else in here is correct. So you always got these little hidden surprises. Usually whenever something's been modified. Alright. It's probably too big. Oh yeah. Oh, and it's loose too. Great. It's not even tight. Remember I said you gotta check everything? It's not even tight. It's not even a right part. Someone put that in there. Alright, so we're going to be putting a neutral switch in here to plug this hole up because this is not the correct part. See, this is a tapered pipe plug and that's a straight thread. They don't match each other. Oh, look at that. It goes all the way to low gear now. See, it used to stop right there and now it goes all the way past. Yeah, wonderful. See the indent right there? When it hit that, it stopped. Alright, here we go. Simple fix. See, we're going to check to make sure that's not a problem. See how it goes 90 degrees and stops. 90 degrees and stops. So it looks like the timing's pretty good on that. Alright, so there we go. Geez, that was an easy fix. It only took an hour to figure out what it was. Yeah, about a half hour. I'm quick. I'm good at detecting crap. From lots of years of dealing with it. Alright, so there's that. Alright. Magic goop. Now we get to reverse everything. We just were doing this. See, that was the one thing I did not check to make sure it was tight. Oh well. Like I always say, it's hard to get good help. Of course, I got gasket sealer right where it's supposed to be slippery. Ah, my rag back. So that wipes out. Nut to it. All right. Make sure you put your cam back on your sealer if you want everyone to live. Okay, now I get to try to put that back on. And that was fun. I got some more fun. So, put your plungers in. Go right back down. Some grease in here all the way around. Didn't have much in there. It's got more now. All right. It's almost like I just did this. If you ever put this tranny together, probably sold the tranny to get rid of it because they can never figure out why I had no low gear. Of course, they were the one that probably put that stupid screw in there. Yeah, whatever you touch last is probably what the problem is. Teach you how it works. Ooh, that screw is not good. Don't torque it no more. That's the broken lid part. Okay. Let's give this a try. Oh, look at that. Neutral. Second, third, fourth. Third, second, neutral, low. Back into neutral. Geez, it works like it's supposed to now. Imagine that. Okay, now we're going to put a torque on these. Remember, these are little small screws. Don't get too carried away. Okay. Fancy cover. Over here. Hoola. Okay, you're going to match up the hole patterns. When they all line up except for that one, you're good. Now, I don't Loctite those ones, but I do Loctite these ones. But make sure you use the appropriate Loctite. That's not red, not blue. You're supposed to use purple. It's for under 1/4 inch hardware. If the Loctite is stronger than the screw is, then you're not going to get the screw back out. Unless you heat it up and melt it like I did. Okay, so now everything's tightened up like it's supposed to be. There's low, second, third, fourth. All works. Now this cover should have some grease on the back side of it, so when he puts it in there for real, put some grease behind it. Won't rattle as much. I'm not going to do it now. Let him do it. Okay, so last thing I do, I go get me a plug to go into this thing, which is actually going to be called a neutral switch. Not one of these, because those don't work. Alright, so I need to find me one of them. I'm going to roll these back over the top over here. Go. Alright, so we need a neutral switch. Who's got a neutral switch laying around? See, he can use a broken one, but he don't have that. Alright, let's see. Let me get a neutral switcher on this place. I don't know. I'll go find one. I'll be back.